Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, and we're moving on to the next stage of our big spring storm, which is the melt phase, which will be happening in just great Colorado fashion coming up here on Saturday. But let's take a look at that storm once again here. This is the radar estimate of what happened here across the area. You can see that definitely it's the foothills region, as it normally is, that has the big snow totals, but some great totals down here in the Denver area as well. We got 3 to 5 across the city, 4 to 8 around the outskirts of town. And then you see these pink colors here. That's the 8 to 12. We even saw some 15, 16 inch totals. Look it up all the way up into Larimer County here, through the Boulder County foothills. Just some really big snow out there. And it was widespread across the state of Colorado. Quite a bit of the mountains also got hit with a lot of snow. So when we look at the snow in the future cast here, it's going to be gone here by early Saturday morning. And the sun is going to come out full. Very few clouds across the state of Colorado as we get through Saturday, so we're going to see a lot of snow melt with some relatively warm temperatures. Here we are at 5 o'clock, still clear for the most part, and then Sunday, once again, a few high clouds passing through every once in a while, but for the most part, we're going to be looking at a lot of sunshine, warm temperatures through the weekend, and a lot of snow melt here. So the low temperatures here on Saturday morning, this could be a little bit of a concern as we have those wet roads, obviously, and we could see some isolated spots where we could see some black ice out there. So let's play a game, right? So check this out. This photograph, is this black ice or is this just a wet road? Just looking by that. This is actually black ice. So now let's take a look at another photo. You can see that kind of shiny surface there, just like the other photo. So you're thinking maybe black ice, right? 2 black ice photos? No, this one is just a wet road. So you can't really tell the difference, and that's the problem. The only way to win this game is to actually slow down and be careful out there, and your stopping distances is the key. And then the temperatures here in the afternoon, that's going to melt any black ice that we have in the area. It's going to melt a lot of that snow as well, because all these temperatures will come with a lot of sunshine. Here's Denver, straight across the board, nothing but sunshine all through the day, getting those temperatures up there into the low 50s. Looking for the next storm system here. This is the weather pattern. This is part of the storm system that just went through our area, kind of splitting off and making its way down there to the Baja. And it's going to come back around here on Tuesday and combine with this trough of low pressure. This storm is not going to be as impressive, maybe some mountain snow and maybe a light shower here in Denver. Looks like mostly rain as you look at the 7-day forecast here. We're going to be going up towards the 70s here Monday and Tuesday. That storm comes in here. We'll be looking for some showers on Tuesday night possibly, and then the rest of the week looks pretty warm as we get into a more traditional March pattern now that we've had about 4 consecutive Marches this season. That's your forecast. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys have a real nice weekend.